Hey, kia ora whānau. Today down on the farm, it's slaughtering. We're getting amongst a bit of butchery. We've already got some things done. Check this out. Got a couple of young carcasses in there. This one's 18.5 kilos. This is about 22. Both 2 tooths. So just off a lamb. Real nice. I've got my mate helping me skin and get these next 2 done. Hope you don't mind the gore. But he's coming, he's already punched that out. He's about to throw it up onto the hook and finish off the skinning. That's how we fill the fridge around here. Kia ora people, you guys be good. And if you can't be good, you better be good at it, eh? Haere rā.